Tired of typing notes while trying to actually listen in a meeting? Let Gemini handle it for you. Here's how to turn on Take Notes for Me in Google Meet. First, join your Google Meet call like you normally would. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. Click the pencil icon to open the Notes panel. By default, Gemini will also start a meeting transcription. You can leave that enabled or turn it off if you don't need it. Want a little more control? Click More Settings. Here you can adjust the note length and choose which sections you want Gemini to include. If the default settings already look good, you can simply skip this step. Now click Start Taking Notes. Everyone in the meeting will see a small icon letting them know Gemini is taking notes in the background. From here, you don't have to do anything else. Just focus on the discussion and let Gemini handle the note-taking. Once the meeting ends, Gemini automatically creates a well-organized Google Doc with a meeting summary, key discussion points, and next steps, then saves it directly to your Google Drive. If you're the meeting organizer, you'll also receive an email with a document link, and it'll be attached to the Google Calendar event for easy access later, and that's it. No more rushing to type every important detail or worrying about missing something while someone is talking. Let Gemini take care of the notes so you can stay present, participate in the conversation, and focus on what actually matters. Note, this feature requires an eligible Google Workspace subscription with Gemini. It works best for meetings that are at least 15 minutes long and are conducted in a supported language, including English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, or Spanish.